Munini wa Musumbi Prof Kithure Kindiki Niwaweta Mundu Wonthe ulao kwenda kwika Masavu ma Kwosa Utongoi Mwakani wa Ngili na ile Niwailite Kumanya Kana Atongoi Mailite Kunenga Uthukumi Mwanya wa Mbee Ingi Kindiki Niwaweta we Nukutanw'a ni Utongoi wa Musumbi Dr. Ruto na Undu gutwaise milati yake aiweta kana kila kaunti taibikito ni mulati bala warula Utongoi mubitu muti aiweta takutaithwa na Utongoi muthemba wa Musumbi Dr. Ruto Titus Nukutw'as
Ainena komanite na Atongoi ma kaunti ya Nandi Kindiki Niwaweta Mundu Wonthe withiwa na wendi wa kutongosia Mbee wa mwaka wa 2022 na wale kwithwa ese kana Mbee mwaka wa 2027 na kwithwa na maundu ala ubititie Mbee na bala undu wa bata na ula waile kunenga mwana wa Mbee ta kuikiria wila president ukunite ndu na anangwa ni mbuloka cia siasa na abenani na ala ukweta tamenga likoni ya ulei na ala ukweta tamate kuelewa ni kindu mibeane yonthe aiweta wea wota kuliana na chonthe kila serikali Ukwika.
Whoever has whatever interests, ambitions must know before 2032 there is 2027.
Yes, correct.
And therefore we must have some order of priority and say for the time being the most urgent priority is to ensure the good work that the president has done is not wasted by political brokers and conmen in the opposition who do not seem to understand a single thing about any program, about any sector. You will sit with them, you will talk to them, you will listen to them, you will not hear them talking about what we need to do about our education sector, our health sector, except saying they will abolish the reforms that have been brought to modernize these sectors.
Kindiki wengine waweta wena Nukutanw'a ni undu President Ruto utwaizia maundu manthi yake na aiweta yukila kaunti pake na yena mulati ula utona kunenewa.
I am very happy to support the president in running the affairs of this country because looking at the outlay of projects and programs that this government is running, for the first time, I am very proud that in every county, in every part of Kenya, we have projects that we can talk about. Roads, electricity, water, markets, affordable housing.
Ingi Kindiki Niwaweta weni withitwo siasa ni kwa ibinda ya sana pala waweta tawonete walioku monene aiweta tamethitwo maikwata utumani wa kutanye kuma kwa yamwe make na isione sieke bathukanio na ala maima na kwa ngono ndu maina alunga wani Utongoi mubetu.
It was never the case before because I have been in this space for a while in the political space, but for the first time there is a deliberate effort to ensure every part of Kenya is reached. That's why you get the testimonies that we are receiving from some of our brothers and sisters from some parts of Kenya who had almost given up because they were never attended to.
Dili bote ya bilingi wa mawoni ta wa Titus Makau.